In the middle of Mumbai's busiest neighborhoods, this feels like another world. This is a residential tower completely surrounded by lush greenery. It's calm, it's private, and honestly, it doesn't feel like the city at all. We are starting from the kitchen, and just look at this. It's a fully modular kitchen, sleek, clean, and really well planned. Whether you cook every day or occasionally, this space feels easy and functional. Now, from the kitchen, we step into the main living area. And the first thing you'll notice is how spacious it feels. The ceiling height, the layout, the way the natural light pours in, it really gives the space an open, calm vibe. At night, the same view turns into a skyline full of lights. It feels like a completely different mood. Daytime is fresh, nighttime is magic. And now we are stepping into the second bedroom, and this one is actually the master suite. Take a look at this view. It's all green. Forest on every side. You wake up to trees. It's quiet, calming, and just beautiful in the daytime. This doesn't feel like Mumbai. It's rare to get a view like this from your bedroom. Now, this is the guest bedroom, and we have come in at night. It feels cozy, warm, and private. The city lights outside, the soft interior lighting. This is the kind of space guests wouldn't want to leave. And here is the fourth bedroom. Spacious enough to be whatever you want: a kid's room, a second guest room, even a home office. It's simple, peaceful, and again, the sense of openness continues here too. And finally, we are in the last bedroom, the fifth one. It's bright, calm, and has a lovely forest facing view during the day. You really feel the connection to nature from every corner of this home. This project is currently under construction and possession is expected by 2030. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive walkthroughs just like this. I'll see you in the next one.